channel we talk about cryptocurrency, affiliate marketing, and a lot of resources are here for you to make money on this channel. And I'll be very happy if you'll do by clicking the subscriber button to get subscribed to this channel, notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video on how to actually make passive income and generate money for yourself. So guys, my name is Mike. I'm going to be the host in this presentation. I'm going to walk you guys through this amazing platform that was just launched yesterday, and I'm going to fund my account with a minimum of a small amount. I'm going to walk you guys through how you can do your daily tax. You can actually do free tax, but for you to earn money you need to deposit. So I'm going to walk you guys through on how to deposit on Huge, which is the new platform that replaces FireVIP. Most of us that are watching this video has been maybe a victim or a profitable members of FireVIP, but that is not what we're talking about here, because nothing is stopping us. We are stepping up to the next level and we are moving on with our lives. Already I have made about 1,000 naira as of yesterday. I registered. Currently, those that use my link and those that are yet to use our link, I thank you so much. I appreciate you. You are the VIP, and the link is going to be in the description of this video to get on board on Huge. And I'm going to walk you guys through withdrawal, deposit, and your tax, your daily tax, what you need to do every day to make money on this platform. Now, this platform is associated with Amazon, according to the information I have. We got here, and it's into e-commerce, not ad machine and all of that. Again, this is attached to e-commerce. That's why you are seeing product here and the prices that this product has been sold. Normally what it's supposed to be is that it's supposed to be like we are hyping this product for them to have views on the market of Amazon and all of that. So that is what this is all about. So if you want to make deposit, first of all, these are the various packages that we have here. And this is package 1. When you come here, you'll be on level 1. When you come level 2, you come level 3. When you come again, level 4, all the way down to levels 8. So they have 8 levels. 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, and this is 8. So that is the levels that you have on this platform. So the one you can afford, pick your package and fund your account. Now I'm going to go to funding. For you to get to funding, you can actually go through two different means. Either you go through my here, or at the top corner of your home page here, you can actually go to top up. So that's the two major ways. And then to fund, when you click top up, it will take you to this page. Now you can actually do this top up excuse me, by two means. One is USDT transfer. You can use USDT to transfer. Then 2 is by using Naira to transfer your money. Now all are far transfer. Now I'll explain that for you. We have transfer details for 1. I'm going to use 1, the same thing 2, and the same thing 3. Why? They have different various account, as you see each of these transfer and different platform. So we're going to use 1. So when we use 1, I'm going to try with 4,000 naira. So now for 4,000 naira, I'm going to get 4,480 naira plus. So they are giving me a bonus, and they are giving me this token. They have a token. They have their own native token that is called GEC. You understand? So that is their own token. So that is the token that they will be giving to me, that will make me own 4,480 naira. So now what do I do now? I'm going to click the top up button, and when I click it, it's going to take me to a page. So I'm going to click one of these browser so that I can get the bank details to make payment. So when you get to this browser, what do? They tag payment gateway will open up for you. You are going to copy the address here. So tag pay is the company's name. So this is the account number. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to copy the account number. I'm copying the account number now, and the bank name is tag pay. And then this is the bank name, and this is the recipient's name, and this is the account number. So I've copied the account number. Now I'm going to go to my app. I'm going to pause this video in a few minutes. So when you are done from sending your account from your bank, you see this time frame, then you come here, you will click I have paid. When you click I have paid, and you will see your money on your, go back to your dashboard, and you're going to see your fund on your dashboard. So in that process, you have already sent your money to them. And there's something I experienced in the process of doing this. I experienced some challenges when I click on top up. So if you try this number, I was able to send to this account. I think here and here and here they have similar. These two, 1 and 2 have same account, and this 3 has a different account number. So if you try 1, it doesn't go. Try 2, it will go. Try 3, it will go through. Then you come back home on the dashboard. Your money will be added to your account balance. Here you will see it. Here it will be changed with another number of figure which we have funded. Then we go back to home here, and you are going to click this package. Then when you click on this package, you will now be able to rent this particular package here. So that is just it on how to make money on this platform. Now if you are done and you want to make withdrawal, what do? You go to my here, and then you click on withdrawal. It has not reflected yet, that's why you are seeing that my account is still on 1,000 naira. It doesn't waste time, but I wasn't able to send money. So when you come here, what do? You input your withdrawal amount, name. Here is going to be name, sorry, I'm going to put name here, amount here, and you select with this drop down for your bank that you are going to use. And what do? You do after then? You click on confirm here, and your money will be withdrawn to your local bank. So that is just it on how to do tax. Now this is how to do tax. Let me not waste your time. It's when you click here, you click receive here. I've done the tax for the day, the free tax for the day. You click receive, you will do it for 18 times, and this is what you get as income for free. For those on free, then there's a token that you can still earn on a daily basis again, which is GEC. So that is just it for that on that plan, on that aspect. Now this is the VIP. For those who want to go for VIP, by inviting people, you go for VIP and all of that. So whenever you earn, whenever you have done funding, please, there are two things that you must take note. Let me not rush out quickly. This premium product and product here. Now this product you see here are the normal way channels to make money. Then premium product are the other ways to make money. Their own packages are higher than the normal product. So if you don't understand this, I prefer you go for this product, so you can easily understand. So you know, say, I did this and my money didn't reflect and all of that. So go for the one you understand, which is the product. I urge everyone to go for the product instead of going for the premium. Now the premium has a condition. If you click premium now, you see it must be 100% here before you can actually buy, because my account is here to be funded. By now I'm supposed to have been able to buy this premium, because I have recruited people already use my link. You see, it needs to become 100% before you can actually buy this premium. You see the cost of premium. The VIP 1 is 15,000, the VIP 2 is 45,000, then the VIP 3 is 130,000. Now if you click on any of them, now you see that this premium here, you see what you earn in a day. For this 135,000, you are earning about 18,000 naira. Now what you go home with is going to be 10,000 naira on a daily basis. So you see that it is different from the product that you see there. Their earnings are all different, and their first level, that is the affiliate income for affiliate marketers, it is 10% directly. The other one like that. So their own earning on a daily basis is different. They have token that they are giving to you additional to your earning, which is about 36,000 naira, 36,000 worth of GEC token. So that is just the difference between the product and the premium product. So be careful when you find which one to pick. You understand now? So I'll be very helpful if you do this video by clicking the like, comment. My WhatsApp number is there. Get in contact with me, and I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.